Now please join me in welcoming Amay Aggarwal, co-founder of Anglera, a YC-backed startup. Anglera is an AI co-pilot for merchandising that streamlines online product curation, saving businesses weeks of manual effort through intelligent automation. In today's session, Amay will share insights on how you can automate your merchandising operations with AI agents. Let's meet Amay Aggarwal.
Hello everyone, my name is Amay and I'm the co-founder of Anglera. At Anglera, we're building AI agents for product merchandising. We help brands, retailers, and marketplaces automate common manual operations such as standardizing, enriching, and optimizing their product data. Previously, I led catalog machine learning efforts at Uber Eats, where we enriched millions of products for major retailers and merchants. I also have a bachelor's and master's degree from Stanford University, specializing in artificial intelligence. E-commerce is powered by product data, but today that information is fragmented, incomplete, and difficult to manage. Firstly, product data exists in different formats across brands, retailers, and marketplaces. There's no universal standard, so every time a product moves from a brand to a retailer, teams have to spend hours manually cleaning, formatting, and updating information just to make it ready for sale. Secondly, shoppers rely on product details to make informed decisions, but too often critical specifications, dimensions, and features are buried in PDFs, manuals, or outdated spreadsheets. If a customer can't find the details they need, they won't buy. Thirdly, even when a product is listed, it may not appear in search results due to missing attributes or incorrect categorization. If consumers struggle to find what they're looking for, this leads to frustration and, most importantly, lost sales. Leading e-commerce companies are adopting key strategies to manage product data effectively at scale. However, implementing these strategies still remains a challenge. Firstly, we should leverage automation wherever possible. Manually fixing product data is slow and expensive. AI-driven automation can help standardize, enrich, and categorize listings. But doing this well at scale requires sophisticated models that really understand how to interpret product details across different industries. Secondly, we need to ensure that product data is structured and complete. Incomplete or unstructured information leads to poor discoverability and lost sales opportunities. The best companies ensure that every product has standardized attributes, clear descriptions, and is formatted consistently across platforms. Thirdly, continuously optimize for search and discovery. Good data isn't just about accuracy. It needs to be optimized for SEO, filtering, and search. Adding the right keywords, attributes, and structured metadata ensures that products surface where and when shoppers are looking for them. Fourthly, staying competitive with dynamic pricing intelligence. Prices aren't static. Successful retailers analyze competitor pricing in real time and adjust accordingly, ensuring that they remain competitive without sacrificing their margins. While these four best practices drive better product data management, executing them at scale requires the right tools. And this is where Anglera comes in. Anglera is building AI agents for merchandising, designed to help brands, retailers, and marketplaces manage their product data with accuracy and scale. Our agents ensure that every product listing is structured, enriched, and optimized for both visibility and conversion. Let's quickly dive into the 5 key areas that Anglera tackles. Firstly, onboarding new products. We can help you convert unstructured data, whether that's in messy spreadsheets, PDFs, or the web, into clean and standardized attributes. The second is ensuring that you have detailed metadata for every product. We help you keep that information complete, accurate, and continuously up to date. The third is pricing intelligence. We help you automatically monitor competitor prices and adjust your own prices dynamically. Fourth, we can help review and enhance product images to meet specifications. And lastly, we help improve SEO, searchability, and discoverability for every product that you have for sale. So what sets us apart? We have rigorous accuracy controls in place, as well as automated data checks and validation processes to ensure that whatever data our agent retrieves is up to standard. Secondly, we seamlessly integrate with your product information management systems, e-commerce platforms, inventory platforms to make sure that whenever data needs to be piped between systems, we're able to handle that. Thirdly, our AI agent is multimodal. We combine not only the text that we find, but also look at the images and look at any other unstructured data to deliver price and context-aware results across all aspects of the merchandising flow. With Anglera, you're not just fixing product data, you're actually optimizing it for performance, visibility, and overall revenue growth. Now, I'd love to take you through the platform to show you how it works end to end. So let's get started. You may have a product template that looks something like this. It contains common information that you need to fill out about every product, like the name, the SKU, images, maybe description and key features, as well as dimension information and FAQs. Each of the columns in this template will map to an attribute in Anglera. So we've already gone ahead and pre-configured this ahead of the demo. For each attribute, you can provide instructions for how to fill it out to our AI agent. You can also leave feedback to our AI agent. For example, let's say that you want the name to be less than 80 characters. You can just go ahead and prompt that here. And now you see that Smart Fill is set to true, which means that our AI agent will automatically fill out this attribute based on the instructions that you've provided. We support a variety of different attribute types. For example, we support number, images, classification for categories. We also support metric type for things like dimensions. For dimensions, we can automatically convert units, round, and include the unit in the output. Key value list is another type, which is great for things like FAQs. And so this is the attribute setup, which is now complete. The next settings is actually giving our AI agent access to the web to do research and identify the matching products online, find more information and missing information about every product. Here, you'll see that we've enabled online search for our agent. We're saying look for up to 2 results and look based on the name of the product as well as the SKU and make sure that the SKU matches exactly. We can also guide our agent to exclude or include specific websites based on our needs. Now, our AI agent can work with data, very limited data. That might look something like this. You might just have a name and a SKU and a brand for every product, right? And our goal is to actually go out and use this very limited information to fill out the template using our AI. So what we can do is actually upload this raw CSV or manifest into our system. We'll automatically map any of the existing information that already exists, and then we'll upload it. Now you see that all of these products are in the draft state. Now you can select these products and select Enrich. This is where the magic kicks off. So now our AI agent is going to go onto the web, look up each product, find the relevant matching sources online, and fill out the information for each product exactly according to your specifications. So you'll see these come back in real time here. So you see that the first product just started to come back, and we can do thousands of products at once through the power of scaling up our AI agents and spin up a swarm of them to go out and find all the information. And so this 27 product sample will finish in just about under a minute. Great, so that's all complete. Now what we can do is actually show you what this data looks like and how it's been filled out. Let's also take a look at a specific example here. You'll see that we've got the image of the product. These are directly taken from the manufacturer source. We've got the title, the brand information, some details about the product, dimensions, as we mentioned earlier, FAQs that we've generated. And best of all, you can see exactly where we pull this information from, right? You can see the sources here directly the manufacturer website, as well as an additional source. And now this product is ready for sale. Now you can easily export these products into CSV and upload them into your e-commerce platform or product information management system. We can also pipe this data directly in through our integrations. Our customers have already seen significant impact from implementing our solutions. For example, Joby, a fast-growing swag solution provider, struggled with messy supplier data, manual product updates, and inconsistent pricing across over 5,000 products. With Anglera, they automated data standardization, real-time updates, and leveraged our AI-powered image processing features, saving them hundreds of hours per month and enabling them to scale seamlessly. Another case study is Second Shop, which is an online marketplace for refurbished furniture. They face challenges with inconsistent supplier data, time-consuming manual listings, and inaccurate pricing, often taking over 20 minutes to prepare each product. Anglera automated data ingestion, standardized all the product attributes, and optimized their listings, reducing work by over 90% and improving product discoverability as well as conversion rates. Great. So now that you've seen how Anglera and our AI agents can help you transform how you manage your product catalog, automate a ton of manual work, as well as optimize how you present every product listing, we'd love to get in touch. So if you're looking to save time, increase your conversions, and improve your customer experience, we should definitely connect. Please feel free to schedule a demo at www.anglera.com, and we'd love to chat with you and learn more about your existing processes, as well as where our AI agents could help. Thank you so much for watching this, and please feel free to reach out at any time.
Thank you, Amay, for sharing your valuable insights on using AI to revolutionize merchandising processes.